Alexa, Google how to start a YouTube video.
Here's something I found on the web. According to one...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't think I'm good at this anymore. Welcome to an Amazon video. You already read the title, you already saw the thumbnail, you know what time it is. These are hands down my favorite videos to make, so you know I had to come back with one of these. You know I had to. This video is sponsored by Top Cashback, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for them for sponsoring my videos. Even though I go on random hiatuses for like months, they stick with me, okay? Top Cashback is exactly what it sounds like. You make money shopping online. Just go to your website, say you're looking for some new lip gloss, whatever, whoever. Up pops a little browser extension tool and it says, click me for money back. Duh. My favorite thing about Top Cashback is there's no minimum for payout. So even if you have like $5 in it, that's payable, they'll just let you take it. A lot of these give you a minimum of like 50. I don't know why you wouldn't use Top Cashback. Like, it doesn't really make sense to me why you wouldn't. So if you want to sign up, use my link below. It'll be literally the first thing listed in the description box. If I still know how to make a description box, it'll be there. We'll see. You can get money back from like a million different vendors. Actually, I think a million is an exaggeration because there's probably not a million vendors. It's really simple. It's really easy. Why would you not want money back? Like, someone give me a good reason. Like, give me a good reason. Anyway, let's get to the products. You can use Top Cashback on Amazon. It just fluctuates from day to... I just skipped a whole word. It just fluctuates from day to day. Let's get to it. I'm gonna start with a couple makeup products because these are the easiest for me to talk about. We all know beauty blenders, right? Right? Do we? I have like a whole stash of them. Ooh, God, I should throw this away. Original Beauty Blender brand, like the actual beauty blender. They're $20. Girl, buy. Girl, buy. There is a brand on Amazon. These are the #1 bestseller of like beauty sponges. These are better than the normal beauty blenders. They're softer and you get 8 of them for $5. This is them like not wet, so the small size, and then this is them like a little bit damp, and then they're even bigger when they're fully wet. But ever since I bought these back in March, I haven't used any other makeup sponge like for liquids at all. Such a good deal, and they're literally so good. So quick shout out to the Blend My Face sponges. These are my favorite powder sponges, and I believe they only sell on Amazon Prime, but they're really good. They pick up the most powder, and for everybody that always says, oh my God, how do you get your face so smooth? #1, filters, like filters. But #2, powder, and it's these sponges and a really good powder. If you haven't already got these, I've already mentioned them, you just need them. Okay, let me move on to a couple clothing products. First of all, oh my God, I don't even know where to start. I have so much good stuff. First of all, I found these leggings on TikTok. Actually, no, I'm not giving TikTok the credit for this one. I found these leggings on Amazon randomly one day. I made a whole TikTok about them, so I'm gonna insert that on the screen right here. They're like the butt scrunch BBL effect leggings, and oh my God. But they're actually like really nice quality, and the waistband is really tight. Like, I don't know if you can see that. These are my favorite leggings that I own. These sell out really fast, so if you can get your hands on them and you're like into this type of thing, just do it. I also have to mention this top. This top. Wow. I have definitely mentioned workout like tops before in the past. Take everything I said and just, this top right here is the best. The best. Tell me it's just not so flattering and just so perfect. Like, perfect. Some of the workout tops like this are just too short and they ride up and they just do crazy things, and the material looks cheap, and I don't even know how to describe it. I feel like it's one of those things you have to try it and then love it. But they have it on Amazon Prime Wardrobe, so you can try it, and if you don't love it, you can give it back. I do think it's like almost $30, but it's so worth it, especially if you are in the gym heavy. Just buy it. I just wish this brand would make more colors, because if this brand made more colors of it, I would buy every color and I would never buy another workout top ever again. It would be game over. I'm so excited to mention these shorts. I don't know if I'm late to the trend or what, but there's been a trend of the crossband leggings. I blind bought these from Amazon, and I was kind of nervous because, like, don't they look tiny? Long story short, these make your stomach look snatched up because they have that crossband. Cute little spandexy booty shorts. Definitely size up. Size up. Size up. I have a large. It's the crossband. Like, the crossband just does something to the stomach, honestly. Like, I would put them on right now, but I'm really bloated. So take my word that these are really, really, really cute. Okay? Thank you. Would it be an Amazon video if I did not mention slippers? I'm not gonna lie to you. These are not my favorite slippers in the world, but they're very cute. I think I would really like these if they were a size up. So if you're gonna buy these, size up. My favorite slippers ever are these ones right here, because I just took them off my foot, like you can tell. Ooh. I want to mention both of these because, you know, maybe you like a little bit more firm of a slipper, a little bit more, what's the word? It's just a little bit more firm, a little bit cuter. Still a really good shoe, just size up. I live in slippers, so I also have to mention these slides because there is no better. There is no better. I've owned slides from a million brands, Adidas, Nike, Puma, whatever, however, all of it. But these slides, there's some magic secret formula that Adidas put in these. These are the Adidas comfort slides. Technically, these are a men's slide, but I don't care. They might have a women's option now. I don't really know, but they're just so comfortable. I don't feel like I have wide feet, but I don't feel like I have narrow feet. Like I feel like I have normal feet. Everyone that I recommend these to loves them. You can get them very, very, very fast on Amazon Prime. I was really surprised at how fast I got them, and cheap. You need these for the summer. I'm telling you, you do. Next, I want to talk about lip gloss, and I know someone's gonna clown me for this, and that's okay, but I want to mention clear lip gloss. I am a lip gloss fanatic. Like I will spend any amount of money on lip gloss. You don't have to ask me twice. I will do it. I will do it. But ever since I got lip blushing done at the beginning of the year, I haven't really preferred lip gloss with color. I preferred like sheer to clear lip gloss. I ordered a bunch of clear glosses from Amazon and I just tried to figure out which one I liked the most. I'm not saying that I rediscovered clear lip gloss because I know this has been a beauty trend, like I know, but this is my favorite one, so I'm gonna mention it, and it's $3. This is definitely something that you could get like at a beauty supply store or something like that, but I ordered a bunch of them from Amazon. I don't even know the brand. Max Makeup lip polish clear gloss. Like I said, it's $3. It's really, really glossy. Like it's all I have on right now. This one, I like the smell and like the stickiness level. Don't be taking those Dior glosses out in your bags. Get yourself some really cheap clear gloss, and that's all you need. Just saying. I just want to mention a couple pieces of jewelry. This ring right here, since I know I'm going to get some questions, really simple beaded ring. Really simple. It's just this little gold ring, but it doesn't tarnish. Like I've had this on for a while and it literally does not tarnish. Very good quality. Very good quality. Earrings that I wear every day, every minute, every hour. Amazon Prime. They have a million sizes and they're really affordable. Because here's the thing about earrings. When you're a cheerleader and you take your earrings out 24/7, I'm not buying real ones. There's a brand on Amazon, I think it's called Pavoli. I don't know, I could be saying that wrong, but they make the best jewelry, like really affordable jewelry from Amazon. I will link their actual storefront below. If you're looking for any type of jewelry, but you just want like cheap throwaway type jewelry that you can wear for 6 months and then move on from it, that's the route to go. Let's talk removing makeup. This is a good one. I have mentioned this on my channel a couple times. I just feel like no one understands the significance of how much I love it. This is Palmer's brand cocoa butter formula, but I can only find this on Amazon. So this is one of those products where it's definitely safe to buy from Amazon because number one, the Palmer's brand sells it and I can only find it there. This is the ultra gentle version. The original has rose hip oil in it and I am very much allergic. I love this. I have it on subscription, so I literally just keep getting them to my house, like keep them coming. This is the best, the most gentle, the most hydrating, the best makeup removing oil I've ever used in my life. I'm not gonna keep going on about it because you already know, but I found the body version of that. She saw this on TikTok and I don't know anywhere you can get it other than Amazon also. So this is the Bioderma, I don't know, but it works. It's literally just a body oil, I guess, but like a shower body oil for extremely, extremely dry skin. It would be so great for the winter, but like I use it year round because I just like to be super, super hydrated 24/7. It's so thick. This also could definitely double up as a makeup remover. Like it's definitely safe enough to use on your face. Look how much product you get. Like this will last me the rest of my life. This keeps my skin silky smooth, and then I follow up with the Nivea lotion. I will also insert that here. My skin is literally glowing. Let's talk about hair for a second because oh wait, I should probably fix my hair before I start bragging on my. In the past couple months I tried Olaplex for the first time and yeah, I was not disappointed. Actually, they had me in the first half, I'm not gonna lie. First time I used it, I didn't wet my hair first, so things were a little rough. Actually used probably like half the bottle. Yeah, very embarrassing. I really like the Olaplex #3. This is like a at-home treatment. I guess you can actually mix it with other products. I don't really know. I'm not a professional, but this shit works. I will just wet my entire head of hair, which is a lot. And then I will coat it with this, and then I will leave it on for an hour. The bottle says it 10 minutes, but girl, no, this is $30 for this small bottle. So I will leave it on for an hour, and then I will wash my hair, and wow, adds shine and it smooths out my frizz. And let's be honest, volume and like a little bounce and stuff is in right now, so we don't want completely sleek flat hair. We just want it to be manageable, you know. I buy mine on Amazon because it comes straight from Olaplex. I actually sent 2 bottles of this home to my sister and my mom because it was that good. It is Baker family approved. Also, for all my stressed out girls, I got you. No one believes me, but I have gray hair. I could get my hair done and a week and a half later I have grays. It is what it is. I'm 24 now, you know, I'm getting old. I've been using these 2 products and it's just like a game changer. The L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. You can get this in any drugstore, but I typically just place, like when I place my grocery order, I actually just get this with it because I use it that much. So good. It's literally just concealer for gray hair. You just take it and you spray it directly where you need it. Also adds a little bit of volume, like it gives your hair a little bit more grit, which I really like, but you do have to wash your hands after you use it because it's messy. If you're gonna use this product, just go ahead and buy this along with it. This is the smartest thing anyone's ever created, ever. Like, that's a fact. It's a hairline optimizer, so basically you just stick it up to your hairline and you spray your root spray. You don't accidentally spray yourself a new hairline because I've been there. It has these like little picks, so it just makes your hair look it makes it look very natural, honestly. It was like $5 from this brand. I just think that if you're gonna be concealing grays or fixing your hairline or whatever you're doing with your life, you probably should get this. Ooh, let me talk about pimples for a second. These little pimple patches, what kind of sorcery did they put in them? This is my 3rd box of them. They work so well. The red ones, the original ones, are my favorite ones. If you're one of those people that really likes gross things, like you like to watch a pimple pop, I'm sorry I had to say it, you will really enjoy these because you will see like the grossness come out of your face onto the patch. It's a great way to also conceal a pimple because they don't move. You put makeup over it, you wouldn't even be able to tell. They're just genius and they work so well. They will like diminish the size of your pimple and suck the bad stuff out very fast. What kind of magic is in that? I don't know. Okay, I have 3 more. This electronic wine opener, you don't know you need this until you buy it, and then you can't not have it. If you drink wine, just buy this. It's also a really good gift you could give to somebody that prefers wine. This is a really good gift. I'm not gonna lie, I would love if someone gave this to me. And these wine glasses, I already put them in my last video, but they're sturdy, they're heavy, they're not plastic, they're like glass. Why am I hating myself? They're so aesthetic. They're expensive, but like it costs to be cute, okay? Also, I know I'm becoming an adult because I get excited about these type of things right here. I really like the Mr. Clean magic erasers. They work so good. Like, what magic is in those? That's actual magic. They're so expensive. Just go through them so fast. Usually I dupe makeup, but now I'm an adult, so I have to dupe cleaning products. These ones from Amazon, they come in a 50 pack, I think for $15, and they don't work exactly as well as Mr. Clean, but they're pretty close. Like, they do pretty much the same thing. I like to use these in my shower. If you clean your shower while you're in the shower, you don't want to take a whole other rag and a spray. You know, you might just take one of these with you and scrub the wall. They actually just work really well. They're a really nice bathroom cleaner. Just wanted to mention these in case anyone out there is also looking to not spend $1 million on Mr. Clean. The last thing I want to mention is this phone case, because let me show you why. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, she's broken. She's very broken. I live for a naked eye phone, but the glass is starting to fall out, so I'm worried. I got this phone case as a recommendation from another YouTuber because I got it solely for the purpose of makeup does not cling or stain to it. sold. Usually like with a white phone case like this, self-tan, makeup, things like that would just get dirty really fast. Literally, I have never cleaned it in my life and just nothing holds on to it. And also it's the color of my phone, like it's that, you know, clean white color. It's a little bit more pricey, but it's definitely saving my phone right now, saving my life right now. So I'm with it. That is all I have for this video. If you enjoy this video, which I know you did, don't let me know so I can make more. Thank you to Top Cashback for sponsoring this video. You mean everything to me. Truly, like, use Top Cashback when you buy online. Why would you not? Nobody to this day has given me a reason why they shouldn't. I'm just saying. Every single thing I mentioned will be linked below. If you choose to buy through my links, I do make commission from it. Thank you. You pay my rent. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.